Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Today I have a Z-Lynk MS-03 metal detector headset, and I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pad cushions on this model. And also, it's the same process for the MS-2 model. After a while, they start looking like this. Not cool. They start falling apart, and it's good to change these out every once in a while. So here are cooling gel ear pads by Central Sound, by us. And we also have our protein leather memory foam type ear pad, which is a very good upgrade from the original. And then here is the hybrid, which is a hybrid velour soft material and also memory foam in the middle, very plush, very comfy. And these ear pads come off pretty easily. They are extra thick, our premium ones. And uh, so all you have to do is just pry up. Now there's this mounting plate that connects to the ear cup, and they're little plastic clips. So pretty simple to remove the ear pad. Just pry up. You will hear some unclicking sounds, and that means that it's being unsnapped. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our Central Sound channel. And all you have to do is remove the stock ear pad from this little plastic mounting plate here. Now there's little holes that the clips stick through. And once you got the ear pad removed, you can put that aside. And then once again, here's a comparison. Huge difference with our upgraded premium ear pads. And then all you have to do is just slide the mounting plate around the rim, the back of the ear pad. Now this is a very simple process. It really should only take just a few minutes. Once that is around the rim, then all you have to do is snap these guys into the ear cup. So you could tell right off the bat that there's a different material and way different than the stock ones. So we've had some customers that really enjoy these ear pads and are glad that they purchased them. So it has a cooling gel layer in the middle of these ones, this type, which has a cooling effect when you put them on. And so all you do is just apply some pressure, line up the clips, apply some pressure, and these will snap right in. So they just snap right into place. And that's it. They are installed and good to go. So on the left side here, you can see is our premium Central Sound ear pad. And then on the right side here is the stock ear pad. Definitely a huge difference, and in looks and in comfort as well. And it's the same process for all three types that we have. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking this video, and turning on your notification bell to receive more videos like this in your feed.